Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. That's your boy Yas Barber, and we're back again with another tutorial. On this particular tutorial guys, we put in a hair fiber. I'm going to show you how I use the hair fiber to fill up the hairline and the spots on the hair if somebody losing a hair. So stick around and let's do it. As you see guys here, I'm using a business card and applying the hair fiber direct to the hairlines, to the parts that I want to fill up. And the right side's pretty much done. We're applying to the left side now. We're not putting too much, by the way, we're just putting a little bit just to kind of fill the hairlines without making it too much. So basically just trying to keep it natural as possible. So after we put the hair fiber, we're going to go straight to the trimmer and we're going to do the shape up. And here on this part here, my client is actually losing the hair a little bit on the crown, so I went ahead and I put a little bit of fiber there just to kind of fill it up. So that's pretty much done guys. So we're gonna go to the shape up. Again, on a shape up guys, you want to stay on a natural hairline as possible, just making it sharp as possible without pushing the hairline back basically. The hair fiber, it does stay for at least a day, but it does come off when you wash it basically, because it's not a permanent color. As you see guys here, we're literally just going back and forward on the hairlines, making them sharp as possible. It does make a difference. It does make a huge difference. To be honest, the hair fiber makes a huge difference in terms of how sharp your shape up would be. Unless if somebody has a really solid hairline. For a weaker hairlines, you always want to use a bit of a hair fiber to kind of fill it up. Just to let you know guys, the hair fiber is on my TikTok store. You can go ahead and approach it from there. It's about £7-8 and it comes with the pump to easily applying it. You could use it for yourself, or if you're a barber and you want to try it out, go ahead to my TikTok page, Yas the Barber, and approach a hair fiber from there. It's actually in a good price and it's quick shipping, I believe it's about 2-3 days. So here you guys see, we're literally just sharpening up the corners and the shape up's pretty much done. The fade is really clean, it's looking really clean. With the shape up, it just makes out the fade absolutely cold. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell. I'm drop every Monday and Thursday at 3 PM. I drop a new tutorial, so make sure you hit the notification bell and stay tuned. So as you see guys here, the shape up is looking solid, the fade is clean, and that's pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you do enjoy my content, make sure you drop a comment below, let me know what you think, and make sure you like this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Also guys, make sure you follow my Instagram page for daily updates. And for booking, also there's a link on my bio if you want to book an appointment. Here guys, we're just using a scissor to literally break out those dark spots. As you see, I've always used the scissors instead of clippers in terms of breaking up the dark spots. Let me know what you think of this fade guys, and I'll see you on the next video.